Alright, before I start, I'm pretty sure I should make a video on this. Eclipse, Mitsubishi Eclipse air vent. I'm going to be putting in the center console of the XP. Got two of them from the junkyard. They were not cheap. I didn't get these when there's a deal, so that's why I only got two. So eventually I'll wait for another deal and I'll grab the other two on the side. But right now I'm going to use the Dremel. And then we're gonna shave off. Looks like I need, do I know what I'm doing? No, I don't. So as you see, it doesn't just slide on. There a little bit of plastic's in the way. So I'm just shaving down this just a little bit, just so it'll catch onto here, slide, and lock into this gap here. So then we can have the spin movement and put it on today. So just gonna, oops, I'll open the camera. So I'm just going to do a little trimming and get that situated. And I don't think you guys need to see that. I'm just using Dremel with a little sand grinder. I'm going to sand it down and we'll do a little before and after. So I trim those ends just enough to where I can kind of like not over force it, but get it to slide on. Just taking my time. I'm just going to work it down. We got on past that, gotta get to this. So as you can see, you just before now, where's that other one? So like you guys can tell, like those two ends, they're really long. You just take just a little bit off and it fits perfect. So, and I got these extra ones from the junkyard as well. So I'm not doing these ones on my OEM ones, so. These ones I got extra from the junkyard, and I'm just sliding it on now. So I got the first one on. Spins freely. Was hard to get on. I had to trim a little bit more on the outside and kind of like literally force it to pop back in. It's on there and coming off, but like this, I don't like how that can pop off like that. But like I said, I have a whole bunch of these rings to practice on, I guess. I gotta figure out where the hell the square part is on here. Because I'm missing 3 of them now. I only have one. I can get off the old one, off the car, but we have one here that's on now. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim the other one, and it was a pain in the ass to get on. I ain't gonna lie, that was not easy. But it's been so, I just don't like how it's so easy. Hopefully once I put it in, it won't be, because I don't want the air blowing and then it just starts turning on its own or some shit. So let me try the other one on and we'll see how it looks like when we install it. So when grinding it, it looks like the tab that's here, it has to match this side. So I'm literally grinding all this down to make it smooth with this. And then it's just basically this loop that will hold it in. So that's what I'm doing. So this one is a little bit tighter. It is, I gotta clear it and get it in there, and that was not easy. I feel like I'm gonna snap the plastic. But I got 2 more to practice on, so that's why I got extra ones. So I just kind of like, I don't want to break it, but I want it really snug. So I'm just kind of forcing it, but not to the point where I know it's gonna snap. This one right here got me nervous. This one's gonna be really tight. There, cut it in. Oh God, I thought I broke it. This one's way better. Okay, so we got these. So let's go ahead and install them now. Sheesh. All right, so to take this off, I'm gonna pull these off. And then we have these 2 screws here. Don't lose your screws. I wish I had my gun, but I lost that at the junkyard. I know I left it in a trunk when I was sorting through my tools, or I need to get something new here. This one is broken. So, I'm gonna have to get another one of these. I think this is the part that's messed up. So screwing in there. But yeah, so this the air vent. Let me get to pop these off. Oh boy, here we go. Alright, so I gotta get the OEM ones out. There is points here, 2 points. Gonna be in there. That square piece, which one has this one has it, and that literally pops off. You can lose that if you're not paying attention. What I'm gonna do is pop off that square piece, push in this side, push in this side, and then it'll slide forward or back, either way. So let me go ahead and pop these off. I'm just gonna use a little tool pick like this. Actually, I might be able to just push this in, call it a day, make it easy. Let me see if I got something else. There we go. So just press one side, the inner side, press it, and then when it goes in, just pull up and slides right out. And then you can take this square piece off and place it onto the one that needs it. So this one has it. This one goes here like so, and there. And now I got them both. So I'm gonna slide this one in. So the square goes on the outside, this one goes on the inside. So we'll angle it like so, I guess. Pop that one in, then push this one down until it clicks. And it's not turned right. I can see it giving like little stress marks on it. Let me show you guys. So if you watch the plastic when I'm pushing, you can see the stress mark popping out. So let me try to figure out how I'm going to do this without damaging this piece. I might have to pull this back and then slide it, but I need 2 hands, so let me do that. Alright, so the more and more I try to get in there, I'm stressing this plastic out. I don't want to snap it, but it looks like this piece right here is getting in the way, so I'm going to have to trim this down. So I'm going to take some off of that. This is okay. Where's the square piece? Shit, hope I didn't lose it. Yeah, but sheesh, sucks. So I got it in.
Yay!
Nice and tight. This side is in there. I got this square piece also. Got this square piece in there. One side done. I'm gonna do the other side, so I need to trim this piece here. Make it some lower than usual, a little bit lower. And then trim this here, and then pop it in, good to go. So I'm gonna do this one real quick as well. Alright, so I got it in perfect now. And the reason why it was so hard, because this piece, you gotta shave pretty much it all off. They're gonna go, damn man, always bourbon, fuck. You gotta cut all this off, trim this down as well, and then it pops in perfect. So we are set. So everything fits perfect. Close, spins. It still has a little tilt adjustment, but we're not using that. It's nice and solid. So I can close those vents and air come out from the other sides more now. So it looks way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one now, and now that I know what to do, so it's actually not that hard. So trick is shave this down. You got to just kind of get a feel for it, just so you don't take too much. And then this one, you got to literally cut it all off, and I shaped it to match the round wheel. So I'll go ahead and do this one, show you guys what it comes out to, and then shave this one down as well. But it seems hard in the beginning because I don't know what I'm doing, but after playing with it, doing it, yeah, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna get going on this one. So you guys can see it before, and then when I trim it, it's literally gone. And I just keep the round shape on there. So I'm using that style sander. Use a round one. So cutting it off, put that on, and then I'm gonna slide it in now. This one still has this. I'm gonna put that square out. So don't lose these. Get that. Slide this down. I go square in first, and then the little tab part last. So like that. Go angle it until I hear the click pop. And now I slide that down until I hear that click. There, done. So it's in. So I got both in. Yeah, done. God, I wish I had the damn LED lights though. I gotta order those now. So much stuff on this little project. I was not expecting to be in a hurry to kind of just get everything and go. I wanted to take my time and be ready when I go see my daughter. But we gotta roll. So I'm gonna slap this in the car now, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah. And we're done. Works fine. Spins. Fill it out more on the sides now. Hell yeah. So we're set. Probably rock these for a minute because I don't know how to do it yet for these. And this is the easiest way, so. But yeah, we good. It's all done. Skill-wise, just Dremel, small trimming. Not too bad. I mean, if you don't know how to do stuff like that, it could be a little bit stressful because it's first time. Yeah, it was a little stressful because I didn't want to break something and then have to go back to the junkyard and get another center console, even though I am going to buy another one, just so I can probably do air vents on them and sell the center consoles. But yeah, so this oil catch can I'm not going to be using. I ordered the other one. Pretty sure it's going to be the other video I'm posting. But yeah, so we're done with that. I'll see you guys in the next video as I work on this video. So, alright y'all, peace. Thanks for rocking with me.